Customer has a problem with the E17 code on the circuit board that indicate that blower motor, so I just jump on wire R to G and see if that runs, and we can check the power to the unit, see if they have any kind of power going in to the motor. So this is power going in. Simple way to troubleshoot the motor if not working. Take the plug out. I jump out the wire R and G to see if they have power. Turn my meter on and check the power to the 120 volt. Is this guy 5-pin connector. So as soon as I check with my meter, I need to see 120 volt here. Yeah, I can see the 120 volt right there. So that means this plug is good. Oh, looks like my battery was dying in the meter, so I had to take care of that. Let's just turn off for now. But then it's still showing me the E17 code, so we have to take the plug out to make sure we check the continuity for that wire. It doesn't short it to the ground. So putting in the meter to continuity, press that beeping. One goes here. So that's not grounded. It has a continuity there. So that's working. Ground, no continuity, says good. Third one, same thing, no continuity. Found the motor, time to install. Good thing is this time the slide really good. Don't need to worry about any other wiring, you know, because it has enough wire to move the stuff. So basically I already removed all the parts, just need to remove the screws on the top and we go from there. Already remove one screw, time to take the second one out. There you go. I hope so that doesn't come on the way. If it does, then we have to remove this pipe. Let's see. Thinking it's gonna go all the way for sure. Yeah, so we have to remove this part. I don't want to lose those screws, man. Those are the... There you go. I hope so it doesn't come on the way more. We'll see. This is too tight. We had to remove this. So it's out now. Hopefully now it'll slide smoother. There you go. It's out now. So it's Slide down really smooth. Customers were very nice. He set up the fan for me, so that's the best you can do, you know. Time to repair. All ready to go. Tighten up the set screw so the wheel can move smoother. It's already installed all the way. Now time to change this inside and we go from there. Start working perfectly fine. Its only bad was the motor.